Elon Musk's name is not unfamiliar, and he is well known throughout the world. This person is associated with success and wealth. Elon Musk was named the world's richest person last year. The announcement came after his net worth surpassed $185 billion, surpassing Amazon founder Jeff Bezos. Since 2017, Bezos has held the title of world's richest person. On November 1st, 2021, he achieved the world's highest wealth record of $300 billion in terms of total assets, making him the first person to achieve that wealth value. The start of 2022, Elon Musk has passed the $300 billion mark for the second time, making him the richest person in the world of science and technology. Elon Musk's wealth is generated by his companies, each of which is worth over $1 billion, including Tesla, SpaceX, PayPal, and most recently, Twitter. Elon Musk is an example of success that started with an interest in the world of technology, which is best used to achieve success in the field of entrepreneurship. In this video, we will see how Elon Musk can achieve success and wealth. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay up to date on future videos. Elon Musk was born in 1971 in South Africa. His mother is a model and nutritionist, while his father is an engineer. After his parents divorced in 1980, he moved in with his father, and it was during that time that his interest in technology and computing grew. Among his early successes was selling video game code produced with Blaster to a magazine called PC and Office Technology for $500. Elon Musk's childhood was indeed difficult. He was frequently bullied at school and was once hospitalized for injuries sustained after being thrown down the stairs. After finishing school, he intends to immigrate to the United States without the assistance of his mother and father. However, the path was not as simple as expected. Initially, he lived in Canada with his brother and obtained Canadian citizenship. In order to survive, he did a lot of low-paying work when he was 19 years old. 1995, Elon Musk entered Stanford University in California to continue his studies at the PhD level. But 2 days later, he decided not to because he wanted to achieve his ambitions in a field he was very interested in, namely technology, space, and green energy. After dropping out of Stanford University in 1995, Elon Musk and his brother Kimball borrowed $28,000 from their father and founded Zip2, a software company. At the time, the internet was just getting started, and newspaper printing companies were beginning to publish their newspapers in digital form. Elon Musk is a calculated risk-taker who has won contracts from major corporations such as the New York Times and the Chicago Tribune to assist them in publishing digital newspapers. In 1999, he sold the company Zip2 to Compaq for $307 million in cash and $34 million in stock. Later, he founded X.com, a company that provides online financial services and payments via email. A year later, this company merged with Confinity, the company that owns the online payment service provider PayPal. Prior to owning Tesla, he achieved success with PayPal, an online payment system that supports online money transfers and serves as an electronic alternative to traditional methods such as checks and money orders. PayPal was sold to eBay in 2002, resulting in him receiving $165 million as a shareholding of 11.7%. The success of PayPal was the beginning of his greater successes. Elon Musk's goal in the world of space exploration, armed with a strong interest in the field of space exploration, Elon Musk founded SpaceX in 2002, with one of its main goals being to develop technology for space exploration at a much lower cost and to conduct exploration on the planet Mars. Many people thought the idea presented by him was absurd, given that the world of space exploration is so synonymous with NASA and requires a very large cost. Hence, many felt that the establishment of SpaceX at that time was a big and high-risk gamble to achieve the success of SpaceX. Today, Elon Musk had to face many failures, so much so that at one point, this company almost had to stop its operations in 2008. However, due to his strong spirit and no sense of despair, he continued to work until SpaceX became the first private company trusted by NASA to send supplies to the space station, ISS, Tesla Motors, although the name Elon Musk is very synonymous with Tesla. Elon Musk is not the founder who established Tesla Motors. Instead, Tesla Motors was established by Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning in 2004. Elon Musk invested and became the largest contributor of funds to Tesla, subsequently the chairman of the company. He has still made Tesla his own for years, investing early and then overseeing the company's growth from a luxury car maker to mass production. Adding a solar business and developing self-driving technology. For the record, Elon Musk was Tesla's fourth CEO when he took over the role in October 2008. At that time, the name Tesla was not well known, but today the Elon Musk has attained so many achievements with Tesla. In addition to SpaceX and Tesla, Elon Musk has also invested in many strategic companies. Among them are Neurovigil, Vicarious, SolarCity, and Stripe in total. He owns shares in 20 companies. The result of this wise and strategic investment was what allowed him to enjoy the wealth he has today. Previously, the world depended on natural fuel industries such as gasoline for the automotive sector, but now the world has changed towards the use of electric vehicles. The increase in the value of Elon Musk's wealth in 2021, until the time he was declared the richest individual in the world, was also driven by the increase in the price of Tesla shares. Tesla's value far outpaces other automotive sector competitors, and its value has increased over the past year, following increased demand for electric vehicles and actions by some countries to reduce reliance on fossil fuel-powered vehicles. The commitment of the United States, China, and the European Union towards electric cars has raised many shares of manufacturers of the subsector not having had enough with Tesla. Elon Musk also comes up with ideas that are sometimes considered thinking outside the box. Success was varied but always outstanding, as he managed to do things that most people could only dream of. It cannot be denied that Elon Musk is one of the human beings born with the most creative and innovative brain, advantage, and with the gift he has, he dedicates his life to creating new technologies which benefit the world apart from his perseverance. Elon Musk is also known for his philanthropy. In February 2022, Elon Musk was reportedly donated nearly $6 billion of Tesla shares to charity, making it one of the largest charitable donations in history. After months of expressing interest in buying the famous social media platform that is Twitter and facing various lawsuit challenges, Twitter is owned by Elon Musk today. He included the purchase agreement with the value of $44 billion and subsequently overhauled the company, resulting in at least 4 executives at Twitter being removed. One of the main reasons Elon Musk bought Twitter is big, wants to help the world community, and wants human civilization to have the same digital space. Elon Musk himself has more than 110 million followers on the social media. In conclusion, Elon Musk's success and determination reflect the personality of one who does not give up easily. His attitude and personality can be used as an example and inspiration for all of us to pursue our dreams. We may have initially thought that only people born in rich and status families can become the richest people in the world. But Elon Musk proved that popular notion wrong. He managed to prove that despite being born as an ordinary individual, he was able to achieve what he dreamed of with effort, determination, and ambitions. Still, some people dislike Elon Musk due to his controversial behavior. What do you think about him? Comments. Thanks for watching.